Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing top 10 anti-inflammatory spices. There are many types of natural remedies out there that claim to reduce inflammation in the body. But the best remedy is a healthy diet filled with anti-inflammatory foods. Some herbs and spices, like ginger and black pepper, contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may reduce inflammation and benefit your overall health. Inflammation is the body's way of fighting infections and healing. However, in some situations, inflammation can get out of hand and last longer than necessary. This is called chronic inflammation, and studies have linked it to many diseases, including diabetes and cancer. Diet plays a crucial role in your health. What you eat, including various herbs and spices, can affect inflammation in your body. So let's get started. Number 1. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, researchers have confirmed turmeric's power. Researchers say the yellow spice is 5 to 8 times stronger than vitamins C and E, making it an amazing immune booster. It's also proven to fight cancer, fight diabetes, boost mood, and support brain health. Plus, it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2. Ginger. A popular spice in Asian food, ginger has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Among its many health benefits, it's considered a potent anti-inflammatory. If you are someone who suffers from inflammatory bowel disease or another gastrointestinal issue, ginger may be your key to relief. Studies show consuming ginger can reduce inflammation in the intestines. Number 3. Cinnamon. One study of women with rheumatoid arthritis found that cinnamon improved their symptoms. Those who took cinnamon capsules daily showed less swelling and tenderness in their joints. 2 lab tests, C-reactive protein and tumor necrosis factor, confirmed the reduction in inflammation. Cinnamon contains compounds that work to block inflammation linked to neurodegenerative diseases. According to researchers, cinnamon is a potent anti-inflammatory, in part because of its cinnamaldehyd content. Number 4. Black pepper. Black pepper is a common spice that is used in many different dishes, and it is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Black pepper is often used to treat digestive issues, but it can also be helpful in reducing pain and stiffness in the joints. Number 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is part of the mint family and has a woody, evergreen-like scent. This herb is often used to flavor Mediterranean-style foods, but it complements a wide array of dishes. Along with the delicious flavor that rosemary adds to meals, it's also known as one of the most powerful herbs on earth, with a laundry list of nutrients. Number 6. Oregano. Along with anti-inflammatory properties, oregano is antibacterial and antifungal. Additionally, it's rich in antioxidants, meaning it helps boost the immune system and fights cancer. Number 7. Garlic. Is there anything that garlic can't do? One study attributed garlic's anti-inflammatory effects to 4 sulfuric compounds. These sulfuric compounds work to block inflammation-causing enzymes, along with fighting inflammation in the body. Number 8. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds called monoterpenes, including sabinium, terpineol, and pinene. These may help reduce inflammation in your body and benefit those with inflammatory conditions. Number 9. Cloves. Cloves are widely used in Asian cuisine. Like the other herbs and spices mentioned on this list, they too have been used for thousands of years for their medicinal purposes. They've been used to improve digestion, fight cancer, fight diabetes, and much more. Another noteworthy benefit is their ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. That's because cloves contain a compound called eugenol. Eugenol works by blocking the activity of the harmful inflammation-causing enzyme. Number 10. Cayenne pepper. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease and arthritis. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help mitigate this risk by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory substances in the body. Research suggests that regular consumption of cayenne can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis and joint pain by improving blood flow and reducing swelling. Cayenne's ability to enhance circulation means that it can help deliver nutrients more efficiently throughout the body while flushing out toxins. And there you have it, top 10 anti-inflammatory spices. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment below and let us know what topic you would like to see next. Have a wonderful day.